Are you tired of the rat race and dreaming of a life of freedom and flexibility? Do you want to earn money online but don't know where to start? Look no further. In this video, we will explore 10 creative ways to make money online that don't require any upfront investment. So get ready to say goodbye to your 9-to-5 job and hello to a world of endless possibilities. Before we dive in, please subscribe to our channel for more amazing content like this. Let's get started. 1. Start a blog. One of the best ways to make money online is to start a blog. With a little creativity and effort, you can turn your passion into profit. Share your knowledge and experience with the world and earn money through advertising, affiliate marketing, and selling products or services. 2. Become a social media influencer. If you have a knack for social media and a passion for sharing, becoming a social media influencer could be the perfect way to make money online. Create engaging content. Grow a following and collaborate with brands to promote their products and services. 3. Sell stock photos and videos. If you love photography or videography, you can sell your work online and earn money in your sleep. Websites like Shutterstock and iStockPhoto allow you to upload your content once and earn royalties every time it is downloaded. 4. Offer virtual assistant services. As a virtual assistant, you can provide administrative, technical, or creative support to businesses and entrepreneurs from the comfort of your own home. Websites like Upwork and Fiverr connect freelancers with clients looking for virtual assistants. 5. Teach online. If you have expertise in a particular subject, you can offer your services as an online tutor or instructor. Platforms like Skillshare and Teachable allow you to create and sell online courses and earn a passive income. 6. Start a YouTube channel. With a YouTube channel, the possibilities are endless. You can share your passions, educate others, and build a community, all while earning money through advertising and sponsorships. 7. Write and sell books. If you're a natural storyteller, you can write and sell books online. Platforms like Amazon Kindle Direct Publishing allow you to reach a global audience and earn royalties on every sale. 8. Provide customer service support. Many businesses are looking for remote customer service representatives to provide support via phone, email, or chat. You can find these opportunities on job boards like Indeed and Monster. 9. Transcribe audio and video files. If you have excellent listening and typing skills, transcription could be the perfect way to make money online. Websites like Rev and Transcribe offer flexible hours and competitive pay. 10. Proofread and edit documents. Businesses and individuals alike need professional proofreaders and editors to ensure their documents are error-free. You can find these opportunities on freelance platforms like Upwork and Fiverr. And there you have it, 10 creative ways to make money online. Whether you're a stay-at-home parent, a retiree, or someone in between, these options provide flexibility and freedom to earn money on your own terms. So why wait? Start your journey towards financial freedom today. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up and share with your friends. We would love to hear your thoughts. So leave a comment below and let us know which method you're going to try first. Don't forget to subscribe so you never miss out on our latest videos. Thanks for watching and happy earning.